A very good morning, dear friends. I welcome you in the channel Zero to Infinity. This is a journey with Praful Davi. Dear friend, this is our episode number 66 that will be dedicated to the healthy body, and it is coming under the holistic body healing series for the world. This is our legal disclaimer. If you haven't read it, I have personally request to you kindly read it once. Thank you very much, dear friends, for your kind affection and the suggestion. Hope you have read the legal disclaimer and enjoyed the episode and the playlist on the Corona or the COVID-19 series. And also, our channel is covering almost many of the dimensions of our human existence. And I believe that you are working on its free of cost yet very powerful logical techniques for your own benefit. Welcome in the Holistic Body Healing series. Welcome in a new world. Dear friends, this is the summary of the health concept. Kindly revise it once so that you can get benefited in this particular episode. Episode number 46. Episode number 58. And if you want to refer it in more detail, then certainly you can go to that particular episode. Certainly you will get more detailing of that, and if there is any kind of problem in the understanding, then certainly your friend, your own channel Zero to Infinity is available with you. Episode number 59. Episode number 60. Basically, I am an engineer and I have the firm belief that if our concepts are very clear, then certainly we can deal with many of the other questions or other applications. That's why we will deal in this particular series with many of the diseases of our human life. It may be of the physical disease, it may be of the mental disease. But what are the common principles on which we are providing you the solution, a logical solution? Certainly we have to jot it down. That's why we have written it for your own benefit. Episode number 62. You can certainly pause it and revise it. Episode number 63. This is the golden principle. Episode number 64. And our last episode was episode number 65, in which we have dealt with complete body healing. That what are the methods suggested by the channel Zero to Infinity and suggested by the ancient civilization, suggested by the spiritual science, so that we can become very healthy. Although some of the disease will be local type, like I have the cut in my face, I may have some kind of pimples in my body, I may have some kind of tumor in my particular hand or limb. This means that will be a local problem. But what about the complete body healing so that our body immunity can be increased? That has been discussed in the episode number 65, and it will be also discussed in the episode number 66. And afterward, we will deal with individual problem, just like diabetes, we will deal Corona, we will make some kind of episodes with that, so on. We especially invoke the doctors and the medical field friends to check the results of the healthiness techniques described in the channel Zero to Infinity. Let's start the journey towards healthy body. Dear friends, although we will try to give a optimum path so that we can become very much healed from our diseases, but basically we are concentrating and the focus will be on the energy healing method. And what are the requirements? Clean energy, high energy and the balanced energy. We have already discussed how to generate the energy, how to balance the energy and how to give the direction to the energy. If we focus and concentrate, if we deep feel, if we do the do and die practice, then certainly the healthy body will be our right, our born right. But whether we have to faith on it or not, it is completely depend on the individual, completely of your choice. Whether you want to give thousands of the dollars, thousands of the euros to the medical science, and then only you are going to treat yourself, or you want to use these free of cost logical techniques for your own benefit, so that through roots you can able to cure yourself. Dear friends who are new in the channel, I can only say one line. What is the energy? Energy by which I am talking to you, energy by which I am seeing, energy by which I am able to thinking anything. This energy same, that is called a body electricity, and this is the key factor in our healing. That's why kindly increase your energy, kindly pure your energy, and kindly balance your energy. We have already given you the methods. Dear friends, in the previous episodes, we have discussed what are the allopathic solution for complete body healing. Some of the things like the pills, injection, immunity boosters are given by the allopathy, and we have already discussed in our previous episode. Also, we have discussed 4 numbers methods by which we have tried to cure our human body so that in the optimum time we can heal ourselves. Now, the trick number 5, the concept number 5, the method number 5 to heal ourselves, to heal our complete body. Use of homeopathy with the energy. Yes, homeopathy, this is the world known methodology. This is a very beautiful science which have been discovered some of the centuries ago. I am not so much aware about this great science. Basically, I am an engineer by profession. That's why 101% knowledge, the thorough concepts will not be clear. That if you have the cold, what is the homeopathic medicine? Sorry, I cannot tell you about that thing. But I have some of the common fundamental basics on which the homeopathy will work. And for that one, I am 101% sure about myself that this thing will be work. Dear friends, as I do not have so much knowledge about the homeopathy, this great science, that's why I can say the more I learn, the more I realize how much I do not know. There are the infinity things in the world which we do not know, and we have to accept our limitations. Dear friends, if the homeopathy healing is equal to 1, energy healing is equal to 1, certainly the homeopathy plus energy equal to homeopathy plus energy healing is equal to 1 plus 1 equal to 11. Dear friends, homeopathy was existing before also. Energy healing like the Reiki therapies were present in the world before this channel also. But we are doing the fusion, we are doing the synthesis. Yes, it is working. If you are working, if you are using homeopathy medicines with energy, with body electricity, with stem energy, then certainly it will be more impact, more multifold effect, astonishing effect, and the miraculous impact, I can say. Now, what is our treatment method to cure the complete body? Generate the energy burst as told in the concept number S23 and take the immunity booster etc. guided in the homeopathy. No doubt, this great science, homeopathy, also has some kind of the immunity booster, some kind of the strengthening things, strengthening medicines in that. What I am saying, first get the energy burst, and how you will get the energy burst, I have clearly told you in the concept number S23. You can revise it once. Although through the Bhastrika breathing or the Belo breathing, you can increase your energy. and that energy can be utilized with the homeopathic medicines. The effect of the homeopathic medicines will be multi-fold with the increased level of the energy. Although I do not know what homeopathic medicines will be provided by the specialist, but I am 101% sure that effect of the homeopathic medicines will be multi-fold with the increased level of the body electricity, increased level of the chi energy, increased level of the stem energy. This will ensure the complete body healthiness. Healing time will be depend on the energy level. This is the 101% guarantee and the surety from the ancient civilization and our spirituality. Dear friends, religions may be many. You may be from Hindu religion, Muslim religion, Christianity, Jewish, Shinto, pagan, or even of the science religion. Yes, the science is also treating the persons like a religion only. Dear friends, whatever is your orientation, no problem at all. But I can guarantee you, spirituality is one. The complete existence, complete cosmos, complete universe, complete our humanity is working on the same principle. Religion may be anything, no problem. All are saying same thing. No problem at all. And these kind of the preaching I do not want to do with you, but you have own faith generation. If you will practice this concept, you will feel that whatever I am saying that will work or not. Certainly your confidence level, certainly your trust level will be increased. That's why happy healing, kindly treat yourself with the homeopathic medicines and energy. The sixth number method, this is the pure energy method. Earlier we have talked about the allopathy, we have talked about the acupressure, massage therapy, cupping therapy, acupuncture, etc. Also the homeopathy. But now we are talking about the pure energy. This is the Reiki energy. And what we are saying, use of the Reiki with energy. Reiki, this is a very beautiful science by which we can heal ourselves, we can heal the other person also, just like the allopathy. And this is a complete energy healing. Earlier also Reiki healing was present. If the Reiki healing was 1, energy healing was 1, then certainly Reiki plus energy healing equal to 11. We will discuss the methods by which our Reiki level can be increased, Reiki power can be increased. And what we are saying, generate the energy burst as told in the concept number S23 and activate your energy chakras, which are the 7 in the numbers, guided in the Reiki healing techniques. Dear friends, if you are already a Reiki practitioner, then certainly you will be able to understand my words, because in this particular episode I do not know whether my viewer is a PhD holder or just a bachelor degree holder, whether he is from the Africa or whether he is from the Jerusalem, whether he is a girl or whether he is a boy. I do not know. That's why I have to maintain a certain standard, but this is the time of the Google and the YouTube. Certainly you can learn these things from the Google and YouTube. I am giving you a direction on which you have to do the work. Dear friends, generate the energy burst as told in the concept number S23 and activate your energy chakras, guided in the energy healing techniques. The generated energy will help in the Reiki, and Reiki will help in the energy generation. Dear friends, many of the Reiki persons are Reiki healers, feel some kind of the low energy sometimes, but by this method, when you are increasing your energy and doing the Reiki, certainly your level of the Reiki will be increased very much. And that increased Reiki level, that increased Reiki energy level, if you charge your chakras with that, certainly your energy level will increase. And this is a complete cycle. Energy generation will help in the Reiki energy healing, and the Reiki energy healing will help in the energy generation. And this is a very beautiful cycle which will be started in your human existence. By alone Reiki, if you were reaching in 10 days, certainly with the help of the energy generation and Reiki, you can reach that level in just 2 or 3 days only. And kindly take my words, it works. I have personally experienced it on my own body. That's why kindly use the Reiki in activation of your own energy chakras. The second method in the Reiki itself, generate the energy burst as told in the concept number S23 and balance your energy chakras guided in the Reiki healing techniques. Earlier what we were talking, energy generation and the activation of the chakras. Activation of the energy chakras. And for the very beginner, for the very newcomer, I can say, what are the chakras? These are the energy generation spirals which are already in our body, and our today's science, today's medical science, today's technology haven't reached at that level. But the future technology, future science will certainly be able to get the glimpse of this high level spirituality, high level spiritual science. But science has to do some kind of the journey to understand the spirituality. Dear friends, generate the energy burst as told in the concept number S23 and the balance your energy chakras guided in the energy healing techniques. The generated energy will help in the Reiki chakra balancing, and the Reiki techniques will help in the energy balancing. Yes, once again a very good cycle will be started. Energy generation will help in the Reiki chakra balancing, Reiki energy balance, and Reiki chakra balance, Reiki energy balance will help in the energy generation. I know that many of the things are going above your head, but I have tried the best in written. In written, you can always pause it and revise it again and again. Suppose concept number S23, you will learn how to generate the energy. If you are using that principle, certainly you will be able to generate the energy. Then only the question will become in front of you, how to give the direction, etc., etc. Dear friends, these channels, these episodes are not only just like a movie. Otherwise it will be a very boring movie, I can say. This is not the Amazon Prime or Netflix series. This is a workbook by which you have to learn a concept, you have to apply it, you have to apply it in the thorough manner, then only you will be get benefited by it. In the previous slide, we have talked only about the activation of the chakra. In this slide, we are talking about balancing of the energy. And both of the things can be done in the Reiki and energy healing, energy activation. But nutshell we can say, get the energy burst and activate your chakra and the balance your chakra. These are the only two lines which I want to say for the this slide. And balancing of the energy chakra guided in the energy healing techniques. No doubt, if a person is a Reiki practitioner, whether he is from the Japan, China, Vietnam, or the Southeast Asian person, whoever is my friend, they will be get benefited by it. And I think the Japan person, my friends from the Japan will be very much able to use this concept, especially with the Reiki healing. And dear friends, it's a very beautiful thing that in the complete world, some different kind of the methodologies are being used. Like in the India, Ayurveda or the herbal medicines are very popular. In the Japan, herbal medicines and Reiki is very pioneer. In the European countries, maximum allopathy is also only there. So, dear friends, how to activate the chakras and how to balance the chakras, it will be told you in the Reiki course. Certainly, it is my advice to you. Kindly take a Reiki course so that your healing can be very fast forward. And yes, it works. The effect of the Reiki healing will be multifold with the increased energy. This will ensure the complete body healing and the complete body healing and the healthiness. Healing time will be depend on the energy level. This is the 100% surety and guarantee from the ancient civilization and the spirituality. Dear friends, if your chakras is getting activated, your chakras are getting balanced, certainly no power in this world, in cosmos, can give you a disease. You are bound to be very healthy. You are bound to be very energetic. If your chakras are activated, if your chakras are balanced. And what are the chakras? Kindly refer the Google, kindly refer the YouTube. Certainly you will be able to learn it. Now, a very peculiar one, spread in most of the continents, spread in the most of the nations of the world. The seventh technology to deal with the complete body healing is use of the Ayurveda with energy. And what is the Ayurveda? This is a common name in the Indian civilization in the India. But what about your own nation? Use of herbal medicines, use of herbal treatment with the energy. This is our concept. Earlier, the herbal medicines were available in your nation, around you. Energy healing was present. But what we are taking, what is the contribution of our channel Zero to Infinity? What is the contribution of myself? Use of herbal medicines with the energy. The effect will be multifold, miraculous. Guarantee, sure, 100%. Dear friends, kindly generate the energy burst as told in the concept number S23 and use the immunity boosters described in the Ayurveda or the healing through natural herb. My dear friends, in the herbal medicines, in the herbal treatment, certainly there will be some kind of the herb, vegetables, fruits, the knowledge given by your own forefathers, your ancient civilization's knowledge. You will get something 101% guarantee. Take the energy booster described in the herbal medicine and also generate the energy. The generated energy and herbal medicine 1 plus 1 equal to 11. It will do the miraculous effect. It will be do a astonishing effect in your body. The generated energy will help in the multifold effect of the Ayurvedic medicine or the herbal medicines or the natural medicines. And dear friends, it is the eternal truth. It was in the history, it is in the powerful present, and it will be in the future also. Before 5,000 or 10,000 years old, this herbal medicine was working. Today it is working, and after 10 or 13,000 year old, after 10 or 15 years civilization, it will work because energy is always available, herbal medicines are always available, and you can treat yourself. And my dear friends, I very much respect to the medical science. In my own family there are the very great doctors, very good doctors available, but still I can say only one thing. Before allopathy, before today's medical science, the human was available, human was alive. Allopathy has near about 300 old year history. The invention was done before 300 something years. It is treating in the very fast manner. Certainly that's why I am saluting it, I am respecting it. But other techniques also have a golden history. Just like acupressure, Reiki, acupuncture, Ayurveda, these had the great and the glorious past with it. And finally, what is the Hippocrates oath is telling me? We have to become the healthy. We have to make the other people healthy. The same thing is my mission also. What the hell is problem if I am using the acupressure, acupuncture or Reiki or allopathy? We have to use a optimum path so that we can become healthy. By hook or by crook, we have to treat our patients. We have to treat ourselves. Sometimes the allopathy will do good, sometimes the Ayurveda will do more good. Dear friends, in nutshell, what I can say, use the herbal medicine with the energy generation. Take care. Energy generation is the key factor. And whatever you are using, suppose I am taking a medicine, which herbal medicine, which is increasing the level of my brain or immunity booster. If you are using it with the energy generation, certainly whatever effect that herbal medicine will do, that particular effect will be multifold. Now, very beautiful thing, and I have to, basically this channel is for the logical. Nothing from the airs I am saying and I want to say it. Everything will be just logical. Herbal healing is spread in all the places of our planet Earth and all the times in our planet Earth. Dear friends, it may be any of the nation, it may be any of the ancient civilization, it may be any of the religion. All are saying only one thing, same thing. All the religions, all the ancient civilization have some kind of the herbal medicine, some kind of the treatments by which they are dealing with the human bodies. The Bible and the medicinal plants, traditional Chinese medicines, alternative medicines in the Israel, in the Hebrew religion, in the Jewish religion, in the Arab and the Islamic herbal medicines, they have something. Tibet, Buddhist medicine, they have a very, very rich culture of the herbal medicines. Even they have the medicine Buddha, who is treating the humans with the herbal medicines. In the India, there is a glorious past of the Ayurveda or the herbal medicines. In the Mayan civilization, they have a traditional Mayan medicines and its healing plants. In the Bible itself, it has been clearly written by the Ezekiel 47.12, the fruit will be for good and the leaves for healing. This means all the religions, Bible, Quran Sharif, Hinduism, religions, nations, ancient civilization, all have a glorious past of the herbal medicines. And what this poor guy is saying to you, use the herbal medicine with the energy, that's it. Energy generation method, I have told you. Healing methods, herbal medicines, you know about it. Mix both of the things and see the effect in yourself. Now, some of the things we will discuss about these herbal medicines. What are very important things? I have to cure the complete body. Complete body, this means immunity boosters. I need complete body, I have to heal. How to deal with it? Take the energy boosters of your own ancient civilization, your own herbal medical science. Take the immunity increasing herbs, whatever you know about it, whatever your nation, your ancient civilization is telling you about that. Use the blood purifiers, use the energy balancers, but with the generated energy. These energy boosters, immunity increasing herbs, blood purifier and the energy balancer will help you very much in the complete body healing. The generated energy will help in the multifold effect of herbal medicines. Dear friends, till now today's human have very less energy in themselves, very less energy, hardly 15 to 20% charged body, charged mobile, discharged mobile I can say. That's why these herbal medicines are not very important for today's world, and allopathy is increasing day by day. Even it has also some kind of a side effect. But whatever is the reason, as the energy level in the humanity, energy level in the human bodies is very less, that's why these herbal medicines are not working. But what we are telling to you, increase your energy. There are some methods by which you are able to increase your body electricity, increase your stem energy. Then only use the herbal medicine, and yes, the miraculous and the astonishing effect of the herbal medicines will be there. And I am very much sure about it. Energy booster herb or the products with the energy burst. That's it. Immunity boosters herb with the energy burst. There are many of the products available in your own civilization, in your own nation, like milk, dry fruits, etc. Dear friends, basically I am from the India, from the Hindu religion. I have the deep faith, complete faith in the spirituality and all the religions of this earth, of this planet. I am not able to guide you just like I am guiding in my Indian episodes about these plants. That's why I will not able to help you about the products available in your own country. But herbal medicine plus energy, keep these two things with you and you will understand all the things. Milk, dry fruit, ghee, butter, etc. Every country, every civilization has their own literature for it. Many herbs are there. You know better. And dear friends, it is the eternal knowledge. This is the inheritance since hundreds and thousands of the year old. And I can say old is gold. Old is certainly a gold. Use the energy balancer herb with the energy burst. Use the element balancers herb with the energy burst. Energy we have to balance. Energy balancer herbs are there. Yes, in the Ayurveda, in the India's herbal medicines, we have some kind of the medicines, some kind of the herb by which our energy can be balanced. Element balancer herbs are there. Kindly use it with the energy burst. And what are the elements? Once again, we have to refer ancient civilization. We have to refer our old knowledge bank, eternal knowledge bank. The human body is made of the earth, water, air, fire and the vacuum. Almost all the ancient civilization are aligning with this fact. You are also able to see it in the Hollywood movies, etc. That's why I have that many of the persons have some kind of the understanding of these elements. And human body elements must to be in the balance for a healthy life. In our body, everything should be in the balanced manner. Everything should be in the natural balance. Whatever given by the God, we have distorted it with our lifestyle. We have to rebalance it. If we are able to rebalance our elements, if you are able to balance our energy, then certainly once again we will be healthy we will be without sick. Dear friends, I know that many of the things are going above your heads, but I can say revise these episodes, revise this particular slide, understand this slide, work on this slide. Certainly you will be get something good, something deep, something which will be helpful and extremely helpful for you. Blah blah, many things I have told. Just 2 lines for this slide I am saying. Energy balancer herbs with the energy burst. Line number 1. Element balancer herb with the energy burst. That's it. It may be of the Mayan civilization, it may be of the Arabian civilization ancient. It may be Jewish civilization, it may be old Hebrew civilization, it may be of the Chinese civilization. All are saying same thing. They have a ample amount of the knowledge with them. They have the ample understanding of the herbal medicines. And whatever channel is saying, only one thing: herbal medicine with energy. That's it. The effect of that particular medicine will be increase and multifold increase. Dear friends, we have to especially take care of our digestion system. And I know that I am going something out of box, but to maintain the flow I have to discuss, because we have to complete heal our body. If I am taking the garbage in, I am saying I am a sick person, I am with a disease. No. You have to take care of yourself also, your lifestyle also, your habits also. We have to especially take care of our digestion system. Whatever food eating, whatever food you intake, it heavily affects our body and the mind. Repeating, whatever food we are taking, whatever food we are eating, it heavily affects our body, our mind and our emotions. This is just like a computer. Garbage in, garbage out. GIGO principle is working on it. Garbage in, garbage out. Good in, good out. If we are taking black energy intake, we are talking all the things in the just black and white, not as a body color at all. Black energy and the white energy. The white body person may have a black energy person. A black body person may have a white energy person. Something deep we are going. Garbage in, garbage out. Good in, good out. Bad in, bad out. If we are taking a bad food, certainly our body will be bad, our body will be sick. If we are taking something good as a food, like milk, fruits, vegetable, non-junk food, healthy food, certainly that will be help me in being very healthy. And I think all the mothers, all the fathers, and even the allopathy, today's medical science will also in the favor of it. But we are going something more deep in it. Black energy intake, what is the meaning of it? If the food with negative emotions, something deep is there. Food with the negative emotions will result in the unhealthy body, impure mind and the impure heart. And this unhealthy body, impure mind and the impure heart will be very detrimental for you in human existence. And if we are taking the white energy intake, this means the food with the positive emotions. This will result in the healthy body, pure mind and the pure heart. Dear friends, I feel sorry with all of you, but yes, I have to touch this so-called debatable point. But we will not do the debate on it. We are just telling you the fact. Whether you apply on it or you do not apply it on it, the rule of action and the reaction does matter. There is no problem at all. We are in the support that animals also have some kind of the rights. They are not meant for our food. If we are giving death to some animals for our petty needs, just like a food, it's not a good thing for the ecological balance. I know that it is a debatable point, it is a controversial point, but no problem. Decision will be 101% with you. And one thing is also clearly here, need versus luxury. If I am very much hungry, I do not have the vegetables, fruits, healthy food with me. To save myself, certainly I have to eat someone. This means animal rights afterwards. First you have to save yourself. But you have the one vegetable plate in front of you and one chicken plate in front of you, and you have to choose something. And if you are choosing the chicken, yes, we have to think twice for doing so. Animals have some kind of the rights. The human is just like the king of all the animal kingdom, we can say. And a king should behave like a king. We have to thought for our kingdom also. We have to thought about the animals also. Same body electricity is flowing in them. And if chicken is being killed, if the goat is being slaughtered, if the fish is coming out of your water due to your food, the negative emotions are being generated in that animals. That's why we are saying negative emotion food. That's why we have to preferably prevent ourselves from the non-vegetarian. We have to follow the universal compassion as suggested by the Lord Buddha. Dear friends, I know that it is a controversial topic, but it is very necessary to transparently discussing it with you. You may be agree or you may not agree. That's the second thing, totally second thing. If you know and due to your own taste you do not want to leave it, no problem at all. It is your choice at all. What I am telling is just a telling. Food with the energy, negative emotions will be detrimental to our human body, our human heart and our human thought system. That's it. Every country, every civilization has their own literature for it. Many herbs are there. You know better. Eternal knowledge, this is the inheritance since the hundreds and thousands of the year old is gold. The ancient civilization, it may be the Mayan, Babylonian, Indian civilization, Chinese, Roman Empire, Hebrew civilization, or any of the civilization of our globe, our planet Earth, that has given its fullest contribution to develop the mankind, develop the humanity level. And we have to have respect to them. Dear friends, allopathy has 200 or 300-year-old roots, but these herbal medicines have thousands of the year-old roots. And if it is not working, certainly the people in complete earth, completely planet are not utilizing it. It has some kind of the powers in the herbals methodologies. That's why the people around the world are using it. Another one, blood cleaner herbs with the energy burst, energy purifier herbs with the energy burst. To heal ourselves completely, we have to have use the herbal medicines plus energy. And there are some kind of the herbals with you. There may be some kind of the herbal medicines with you, blood cleaners and the energy purifier herbs. Like in the India, we can say we have the neem, karela, etc. Some kind of the vegetables, some kind of the plant leaves we have, by which we can purify our blood, purify our energies. In the Indian Ayurveda, in the Indian herbal medicines, we have the products with us. And dear friends, blood must to be cleaned. It must to be clean. It is very important so that we can become healthy. And yes, the herbal medicines will be helpful for us in the healing, in the blood purifying methodologies. Every country, every civilization has their own literature for blood cleaners and the energy purifier herbs. There are many herbs are there available. You know better about your own country. You know better about the ancient civilization of your own religion, of your own area. Dear friends, it is the eternal knowledge. This is the inheritance since hundreds and thousands of the years. And once again we can say old is gold. It has some kind of the greatness. That's why the legacy of the herbal medicine is also present in our today's world. What we are saying, only one thing, herbal medicine plus energy. That's it. That's it. 2 lines. Herbal medicine plus energy. Effect will be astonishing and the miraculous. Another thing. Once again, I have to touch not a controversial topic. Now this is the topic which everyone will praise, everyone will be interrelated with itself, himself or herself. Blood cleaners and the energy purifiers with the energy burst. One very good method to clean our blood, one very good method to purify our body electricity or system energy. That is fasting. Around the globe, all the persons are doing fast in some of the different manners. But all the persons, whether it is Jewish, Christianity, Hinduism, Jainism, Buddhism, all the persons are doing fast as per their own religion, as per their own traditions. We will make a separate episode, detailed episode for in the future. We will just touch something so that we can heal ourselves, so that we can get rid of the sickness. And dear friends, I am not alone. We all ancient civilizations are in the alignment. Hindu religion, there is a fasting, there is a tradition present in the form of the Vrat and the Upvas. In the Jain religion, fasting tradition is present. The persons are doing 3 days fast, 8 days fast, and Santhara. Santhara means extreme fast till death. Sorry, once again a controversial topic. Islam religion, they are also doing very tough fasting. They are doing 1 complete month fast in the Ramadan, just a roja. Dear friends, yes, the fast is helping us in energy purifying. Fast is helping us in the blood cleaning. Fast is helping us in the energy burst. Let's take some of the ancient examples. In the Christianity, Jesus done 40 days fast, days and night. Jewish religion, Moses fasted for the 40 days. Buddhism, Buddha did extreme fasting. Kindly see the pointer. Extreme fasting. They did so that they can realize about the truth. And what we are saying, to clean the energy and clean the blood. That's it. I am not saying you for the spiritual enlightenment, etc., etc. First heal yourself. Then only the next higher versions will come. No problem at all. In the Islam, the Prophet Muhammad did fasting. Fasting is one of the 5 fundamental principles of the Islam. Founder of the Reiki healing, Reiki energy healing, did 40 days fast. Then only the healing methodology, then only the Reiki came on this earth. Mr. M.K. Gandhi from the India, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi from the India did 21 days fast many times in his old life. In the allopathy, in today's medical science, it also recommends fasting for the body cleaning. They also saying, they also are in a line that we have to have fast for at least 1 day in the complete week, so that we feel something energetic, we get free from the poisons or the disease molecules. And dear friends, the world is very fortunate. It have world's ancient proven science given by the ancient civilizations. The ancient civilizations given a treasure of the knowledge to you, to me. Now it is the complete time, this is the correct time in which we have to use the science of the ancient civilization for our own upliftment, for our own rise, for our own DNA upliftment in the world of the Syrians. Dear friends, almost every home has knower and the users of the ancient herbal healing techniques, home solution to treat the disease. Request to all, kindly back to the basics, because old is gold. If the allopathy has roots of the 200 and 300 years old, yes, the ancient healing methodologies have the roots of thousands of the year old. Only change which we are suggesting to you is use the ancient herbal medicines, ancient herbal healing techniques with energy burst, with energy generation. The result will be miraculous, result will be astonishing. This will ensure the complete body healthiness. Healing time will be depend on the energy level. This is the 100% surety, 100% guarantee from the ancient civilization and the spirituality. And dear friends, kindly give me the sorry. I am feeling a sorry because in my previous episode I have told you about the technique first, so that we can become the complete, we can get a complete body healing. I have missed out one thing in that, that's why I have written 1A. This has been left out in the concept number 1, solution number 1 told in the episode number 65, our previous episode. That's why I have put it 1A. And kindly mix those both of the things, then certainly you will get a holistic solution to heal with the complete body. Power, energy, body electricity, chi energy, life energy, or stem energy. This stem energy mixes with the blood and flows in the veins, in the human veins. Hence, nourishes the complete body and each cell of the human body. All the black cells, all the problematic cells, all the sick cells will be removed by this great energy, with this great stem energy. Kindly apply all the three energy locks of the body as per the concept number H29 in the energetic state or the energy burst state. How to get the energy, how to get the energy burst, how to generate the energy. Refer concept number H23. To learn about the energy locks, what are the three energy locks? Root lock, chin lock and the navel lock. We have already discussed in our previous episodes. To learn about it, kindly refer the concept number H29. Okay? Now, if you have referred, this means you know about the energy generation method and what are the energy locks and what are the three locks. Now, what is the solution 1A? Mix both of them. Apply on all the three energy locks in the energetic state, in the energy burst state. What are the three energy locks? Jalandhar Bandh, this is a chin lock. Kindly see the pointer. Jalandhar Bandh or the chin lock, Uddiyan Bandh or the navel lock, or root lock or the Mula Bandh. Kindly Google it, YouTube it or refer the previous episodes. Certainly you will be able to learn about it. If you are putting all the three locks, all the three bandha, chin, root lock and the navel lock, all the three locks simultaneously in the energy state, in the energetic state, in the energy burst state, then certainly it will heal our cell. And how? By applying all the three energy locks simultaneously will concentrate the energy in the main body electricity circuit. What is the body electricity, main energy circuit? This is my human body. Kindly cut both the hands, cut both the legs. Whatever remains, that is the main energy circuit of the human body. When we are applying the three locks, three energy locks with the generated energy, this means the main body electricity circuit will be activated, will be charged with the complete burst of the energy. And we can say, if the main body electricity circuit of the human body is okay, it means complete body will remain okay. Dear friends, many of the things going above of your heads, but no problem. Data is of yours, computer is of yours, time is of yours, problem is of yours, sickness is of yours. Certainly healing will be of yours. Kindly pause it, understand it, revise it, work on it and feel it and get healed with it. This will ensure the complete body healthiness. Healing time will be depend on the energy level, fraction of the minutes to some of the days. This is the 100% surety and the guarantee from the ancient civilization and the spirituality. Dear friends, some of the persons will be at the high energy charged person. Their mobile may be at the 90-95% charge. They will be very much greatly affected by these techniques. Some of the persons which are dealing with the energy crisis, 10 to 15% charge mobile or the body, they may have some kind of the problem. Due to energy crisis, they are facing the problem of the unhealthiness or the sickness or the disease. Dear friends, that's why generate the energy, heal yourself. One very beautiful concept once again. Normally, people do not use simultaneously two different healing techniques. Like allopathy, always think like that. If you are using the allopathy, don't use the other things. If you have the allopathy faith, do not have the faith on the herbal medicine, Reiki, acupressure, acupuncture, etc. etc. The allopathy is in the full bloom in the today's world. They do not have the faith on the acupressure, acupuncture, Reiki healing, energy healing, homeopathy, etc. They are something I can say misbehaving with the other great techniques. But what is our viewpoint? Humanity is to become healthy. All the bodies should be healthy by hook or by crook, in the optimum possible manner, in the optimum time. And for this vision, for this mission, we have to use whether the allopathy, whether the acupressure, whether the acupuncture, whether the stem energy, whether the Reiki healing, whether the massage therapy, whether it is a cupping therapy, whether it is a herbal medicine. I have to have become healthy. That's it. We do not have any kind of the problem with the allopathy, not at all. We are enriching ourselves with the allopathy and with the science. Yes, we are from the science. We are with the science, 101% sure. Dear friends, that's why the allopathy should not behave as a stepbrother with us. Kindly use it, then only feel it whether we are doing correct or not, whether we are correct or not. Normally the people do not use simultaneously two different healing methods like allopathy and Ayurveda, allopathy and herbal medicines. Both simultaneously normally people do not prefer. But our natural cosmic techniques can be used simultaneously also. Our techniques are natural, our techniques are cosmic, our techniques are based on the energy, our techniques are universal, our techniques are based on the natural herbs. That's why it can be used simultaneously also. And just feel superimposition of all the several techniques which we have discussed. If the 1 plus 1 equal to 11, what about the 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1? This will be millions of the time effect, or we can say astonishing effect, or we can say the miraculous impact. Although not the millions I can say, but you will be cure yourself in the fastest possible manner, in the optimum possible manner. That's it. And one thing is very sure, as these are the natural, cosmic, universal techniques based on the herbal and the energy, that's why it do not have the side effects. It do not have the side effects at all. And my dear friends, whether you have the faith on it or not, whether you do it or not, choice is completely of yours. Whether you want to give the millions of the rupees to the medical system, or free of cost you want to take care of yourself, choice is of yours. These are free methods. Time yours, body yours, healthiness is of yours. Dear friends, let's go together so that our earth, our planet can become healthy. Let's go together so that our brothers and the sisters of our humanity can become healthy. We are in the need of the volunteers who can do the experiments of the truth in his or her own life. If he or she gets benefit from it, then only spread these concepts, these experiment of the truth to all the humans, so that a healthy human society can be built. Kindly be the change which you want to see in the world. The start should be from yourself. I especially invoke doctors and the medical field friends to check the results of the healthiness techniques described in the channel 0 to Infinity, results checking after doing the experiment of truth, no endless discussion without self-doing. Your time is important, my time is important, that's why no endless discussion without doing and without experiencing. Dear friends, these are the spiritual science concepts to make the Eden Garden. These are the spiritual science concepts to bring the Eden Garden on this earth. These are the spiritual science concepts to make the earth as a Eden Garden up to a level of the Eden Garden, up to a level of the utopia. These are the spiritual science concepts so that earth can be worth living. Dear friends, I and you, both of us can do the work in this great mission. Dear friends, knowing is very good but doing is always better. The holistic body healing series for the world will be continued. At last, the positive powers will win in the Armageddon in between the positive and the negative powers. At last, the world will be peaceful and will develop like the Eden Garden. The Eden Garden of the people, by the people and for the people. Let's go together so that we can bring the Eden Garden on this earth. Dear friends, this time the Titanic will not sink in the Atlantic. It will touch the land as the Noah's Ark. I am very much confident about it, about this fact, and this faith, this confidence I have to rise in you. Dear friends, choice is completely of yours. Choice is completely individual, whether you want to follow the deity, positive, white or godly powers, or demonic, negative, black or the satanic powers. Whether you want to bring heaven on the earth or whether you want to bring hell on the earth. Whether you are with Lord Kalki, Jesus Christ, second coming, true Messiah, Jesus Messiah, or with Al-Mahdi, or whether you are with Al-Dajjal, Antichrist, false Messiah, or demon Kali. Dear friends, it is completely of your own individual choice, not of a nation's choice, not of a religion's choice. It is an individual choice whether you are with positive powers or whether you are with negative powers. Whether you are in the godly part of the Armageddon or whether you are with the demonic forces of the Armageddon. Dear friends, if there is any kind of the questions, doubt, feedback, suggestions, critics are there, that can be sent at the davi.praful@gmail.com. You may be the Homer Simpson from the Chicago, you may be the Dr. Princess Jasmine from the Jerusalem, you may be any of the person on this great earth. You may have any kind of the question under this blue sky. Your this friend is alive till now. You can refer the question to me. I will do my best to answer it personally or in the episodes. You are welcome. Dear friends, thank you very much for watching. Happy times and good day, my dear friends. I, Praful Dabi, bow to you. I, Praful Dabi, bow to the God hidden in you.